Life is precious, like a blank canvas waiting for colors to be filled. Every day is a new opportunity to paint a picture filled with joy, love, and meaningful moments. But every 30 seconds, someone somewhere leaves this canvas unfinished. Because every 30 seconds, someone dies from a hepatitis-related illness. For most patients, testing and treatment remain beyond reach. Asia continues to sit at the top of the list when it comes to undiagnosed hepatitis cases. Pakistan is currently the epicenter of the hepatitis emergency, with the highest global prevalence of hepatitis C. At the height of the COVID pandemic in Pakistan, hepatitis killed 3 to 4 times more people than COVID-19. It's time to stop this silent killer. The need of the hour is to facilitate a behavior change to increase the uptake of early hepatitis testing. The question is, how? Hyper-targeted efforts are needed to bolster testing and treatment for hepatitis C in Pakistan. The announcement of the Prime Minister's Hepatitis Elimination Program in Pakistan gives Roche the ideal platform to shape discussions around liver health, particularly for hepatitis C. However, basic awareness without action is not a sustainable solution to this public health challenge. So let's catch a quick glimpse of RDPK's ambitious work in progress narrative to tackle this in 2024. Hepatitis C affects the liver, referred to as jigar in Urdu. Jigar is also a term of endearment used for friends, family, and loved ones. To create a sticky campaign that creates awareness and translates into action, we need an idea that will break the clutter and stand out. Introducing our behavior change campaign in the context of liver health with a twist. Kaisa hai jigar? In English, this translates to how are you, friend? And also, how is your liver? This play on words is what we will use to our advantage. Campaign specifics at a glance. Our target audience? Primary. At-risk populations in Pakistan and those unaware and living with liver disease. Secondary, key stakeholder groups, government, health ministry, policy makers, patient advocacy groups, HCPs, industry partners, and the media. Key campaign objective: lead the conversation. Build advocacy with key stakeholders on a bold new story on liver health and hepatitis elimination to strengthen engagement and drive testing at partner labs. Create value recognition. Strengthen Roche's value proposition to differentiate from competitors and create top-of-mind recall. Think liver diseases, think Roche. Think hepatitis C testing, think Roche. Advocate for universal healthcare. Strengthen and build new partnerships that will mobilize action, shape policy, drive testing. What is Roche's compelling value proposition? From early screening for hepatitis to liver cancer prevention, Roche is uniquely positioned to holistically improve liver health outcomes for patients. We will leverage this to highlight Roche's messaging and value proposition at every step of a patient's liver health journey. How will we use the Kaisa Hai Jigar campaign to do this across various touchpoints in a manner that creates commercial impact for us too? We will target healthy individuals to get a routine liver function test done. Encourage patients with elevated ALT to get a lab confirmation anti-HCV test done. Send patients with a positive anti-HCV result to our partner lab for a confirmatory PCR test. Partner with pharma companies to promote timely DAA treatment for HCV-positive patients. Promote PCR tests for patients after successful treatment completion to check their sustained virologic response, SVR. Collaborate with intervention radiologists and clinicians to prescribe further liver cancer tests for patients with suspicion of liver degeneration, cirrhosis or HCC. Provide tissue diagnostic solutions in case liver biopsy is required. Leverage our One Roche strength to provide treatment to HCC patients and improve their quality of life. To do this, our strategy hemisphere will revolve around advocating with patients and HCPs educating patients and HCPs, engaging partners, industry associations, and advocacy groups, influencing policy making via community engagement, engaging in partnerships with other pharma and healthcare players, enhancing Roche's corporate reputation, sustaining momentum around early testing via media engagement. Partners we can consider engaging for this campaign: government stakeholders, Ministry of Health, provincial and federal, micro-elimination programs for a joint campaign rollout at a provincial level, public and private sector lab partners. We can offer subsidized liver health screening packages during this campaign. Influential task force members of Pakistan's hepatitis C elimination program, pathologists, clinicians, radiologists, gastroenterologists, hepatologists, oncologists, liver health societies like PSSLD, patient advocates, pharma companies to close the loop from diagnosis to treatment, corporates from idea to execution, proposed activities and tactics to amplify our narrative, intercept with provocative messaging to open minds to the importance of liver health and the need for HCV testing, facilitate access to information about the disease, testing, and treatment with links to Roche initiatives, direct traffic to partner labs, government hospitals, etc. to increase uptake of testing, amplify voices through connected storytelling to open doors for policy conversation, grab attention with eye-catching headlines and visuals across print, radio, outdoor, digital and social media, on-ground activation via immersive virtual reality for urban and rural areas, a day in the life of an HCV patient living with liver disease, drive thought leadership material from Roche centered on proactive testing, blood donations, etc. Engage key stakeholders at One Roche Pakistan Hepatitis Summit on World Hepatitis Day. Document patient stories advocating for early testing via Dialogue magazine. And podcast series Jigar Kahani, Meri Zabani, connecting RDPK's campaign with APAC's liver health initiatives. HCV Patient Exchange Forum by APAC, representation by Pakistan KOLs, regional HCV campaign with case study featuring Pakistan, International Roche Infectious Diseases Symposium, IRIDS with potential participation of Pakistan media influencers. RDPK's Kaisa Hai Jigar campaign rollout will be a phased approach. Phase 1 will focus holistically on liver health and highlight the importance of proactive screening to increase testing uptake. Phase 2 will focus on hepatitis C in particular and on the importance of timely diagnostics to test early and treat right. Phase 1, World Liver Day, 19th April. World Blood Donor Day, 14th June. Phase 2, World Hepatitis Day, 28th July. How can we promote voluntary blood donations and liver screening tests? Through the Kaisa Hai Jigar campaign, we will build a narrative for voluntary blood donations, focusing on the key benefits for the donor in the context of liver health. Regular blood donation is known to help keep the donor's liver healthy. Donated blood is screened for transfusion-transmitted diseases and helps determine the status of the donor's liver health. We can build on these key messages in partnership with the Institute of Blood Transfusion Services, IBTS, and regional blood centers across Pakistan, along with other blood donation centers. This engagement will ultimately benefit Roche in commercial terms as well. We can further leverage this opportunity to also engage influential blood bank stakeholders like Dr. Sabah Jamal, Brigadier Nuzhat and others to build advocacy and promote Roche's key messages. What will success look like for us? Attention. Reaching the right audiences with the right messages through the right channels in a meaningful, relevant, and shareable way. Attitude. Influencing attitudes and changing perceptions of the target audiences, moving the needle on accomplishing campaign objectives. Action. Changing behavior of the target audiences to be more comfortable and confident in pushing the door of their testing center. What will success look like for the business? Education and awareness. create awareness and educate clinicians to drive adoption of testing, proactive screening, to be measured via an awareness measurement survey, share of voice percentage increase, and media placements, etc. Policy shaping and partnerships. Open doors for dialogue with policy makers to facilitate policy shaping and increase access to testing and funding. To be measured via a qualitative assessment of awareness, education, and influence delivered. Stakeholder engagement. Engage KOLs and decision makers, particularly in the context of Pakistan's National Hepatitis Elimination Program, to position them as advocates for Roche. To be measured in terms of partnerships created and outcomes achieved. Market share. Increase market share penetration and sales by X%. To be measured via internal Roche tools. Important point for consideration. Will the Kaisa Hai Jigar campaign immediately generate test prescriptions and create a huge business impact for Roche days after its launch? Realistically speaking, no. However, if we work together as a team with defined objectives and measurable milestones, the commercial impact for Roche is inevitable. It's a relay race where we need to work as one team, pick up the baton at our defined points, and run forward to hand it over to the next runner, starting from awareness to advocacy and ultimately to action. How will we do that? The way forward. The next step will be the formation of a Project Jigar squad. This squad will work closely with internal RDPK stakeholders and co-create an action plan for campaign rollout and execution with defined outcomes and expected impact. The Jigar squad will comprise of 3 teams. Team 1, Strategy and Planning. Team 2, Engagement and Execution. Team 3, Outcome and Impact Measurement. On that note, we are softly launching our Kaisa Hai Jigar campaign today in the presence of all our colleagues. We hope that you will come forward to nominate yourselves to be a part of the Jigar squad if you believe you can play a role in its successful rollout and execution. We also have a small memento for you which will be distributed across the hall shortly. Looking forward to an impactful campaign by RDPK that translates from awareness to action and results in a significant commercial impact for us to celebrate too.